Here's how to make a second Clash Royale account on your iPhone. Now, if you wanted multiple different accounts so that you can play with different people or do different things, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, open up the Clash Royale app on your iPhone and first tap on the 3 lines at the very top right in battle mode. So once you're in here, you'll be able to see Supercell ID. Let's just tap on that. You need to have logged into your Supercell ID account. If you haven't already, then just create an account for your current game or current basically, membership or whatever. After you've done that, you can tap on the gear icon at the top left. And now you'll be able to see I'm logged into my email address. I'm just going to choose to log out, and I'm going to uncheck Remember Me on this device and hit log out. Now, it's really easy to do this. After this, you can see afterwards it says log in, but we don't want to just log into the exact same one. We want to play without Supercell ID at the very bottom. Now you have to go through the process of setting this all up and playing a little bit. And it says use a slider to select your age. So we can select our age here and play a little bit. But after we go through the process of playing, you'll be able to see again at the top right are those 3 lines. Just tap on those 3 lines just like we did to log out. And you're going to go to your Supercell ID and just create a different Supercell ID, maybe with a different email address, and you can set that up as an entirely different account, just same on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions.